Today, let's make a great recipe, Green Mountain Grill baked shrimp. So let's start with some beautiful Mobile Bay or Gulf Coast shrimp. Peeled, ready to go, no tails. And I've already made my butter garlic blend, which has real butter, chopped garlic, fresh parsley, salt and pepper blend, and a little lemon juice. I pre-cooked some bacon in advance to make some nice little triangles to give it a little flavor on the side. And all of that great butter is gone into this pot right here, which I kept on the side of my Green Mountain Grill to just kind of warm and melt. And I'm gonna do these just like I'm doing them in a restaurant. I'm covering these shrimp, literally not submerging them, but getting a good nice 2 to 3 ounces of the garlic herb butter. That looks great, doesn't it? I also like to dust these with a little local seasoning. The flavor profile, we want the shrimp to stand out. With a little taste of a little seasoning, I use Key's Southern Spice when I'm around here in Fairhope. It's one of my favorite blends made by some friends of ours. So we've added our spice, we've added our butter. Now let's add the fun stuff. The pork belly, the Billy's small batch bacon. It's cured, it's smoked. It's got all that fun salt and brown sugar on it. In between each beautiful shrimp, I'm gonna put a nice little, ½ ounce to an ounce triangle. Because what's better than bacon? And it also helps season those pans. And you've got all that bacon that you just cured your Green Mountain Grill with, and you're wondering, what am I gonna do with that? And then we're gonna take this over to the Green Mountain Grill and put it on there and let it roll. Okay, so we cranked our grill up to about 450. We've got everything all plated and ready to go on the grill. I've got some lemons in there to give some nice flavor and color to this dish when we want to sell it. So let's put these on. Oh, we just hit the temp. So, wow, that's amazing how fast this thing works. All right. And we're gonna let that go for about 10 minutes. One of the goals we're looking for today is like a seafood medley using the Green Mountain Grill. We want to be able to do oysters, we want to do shrimp, we want to do scallops. We can do those in 3 separate dishes if we're feeding a few people, or we can do those in 2 pie tins with like a seafood medley of all 3 with this same butter. Okay, so we're gonna open up this grill and see how the baked shrimp are doing. And then if they're about halfway done, we're gonna add a little crushed breadcrumbs to the top of it. Let's see what we're looking like. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow. Man, is that beautiful. I think we're pretty good there. I'm pretty impressed with the way the Green Mountain Grill's doing. This is gonna be something else. I'm really looking forward to this. We're gonna let that finish for about 3 more minutes, and I think we're in for a treat, everyone. All right, we're gonna bring these out. I can't wait to see them. This is our first time doing a baked shrimp with bacon in the Green Mountain Grill track, and I am super excited about this. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Let's put that beautiful lemon right there. How do you go wrong with that? Fresh shrimp, local bacon, seasoned breadcrumbs, seasoned butter, garlic, herbs, all the fun stuff baked in a Green Mountain Grill while you're camping.